Hey folks, my name is Matt McConnell. I'm a 7th grade language arts teacher at Wadsworth Middle School, and I just finished my 6th year. I'll be starting my 7th year here this fall. In addition to being a teacher, I'm also a coach. I work with the high school distance runners for the track program, and I'm a boys basketball coach as well. In addition to my coaching responsibilities, I work with a group of students and a couple other adults to lead a book study on Friday mornings during the school year. And that's largely because I've really been blessed with a lot of great people that have poured into my life, and I just want to return that, pay it forward to kids that they could benefit from it. So some of the great influences I've had in my life, I've got to start with my parents. They're both awesome people who've really worked to push me to be the best person that I can be. And in addition to my parents, I've been blessed with a lot of different mentors and people in my life, but specifically, growing up, I played a lot of sports, and I had a lot of coaches who were excellent people and were very intentional about encouraging me to think about how I could grow as a person as well as an athlete. So those are some people that have really had an impact on my life. As far as the test results, I thought the test results were surprisingly accurate. I really enjoy taking personality tests and things of that nature, and I thought this was a new one. It was one that I hadn't heard of, hadn't taken before, and I was very pleased with how it was able to capture who I am. For example, I think I'm a unique person in the sense that I am very much an introvert, but I also really enjoy meeting a new person or getting to know someone. So I thought the 5 categories did a good job of capturing that with the different categories and their percentages. As far as leadership strategies and leadership styles that apply to me, I think 2 that fit me very well from the list we were given are the participative learning theory and the authentic learning theory. The first one is basically based on participation from all involved parties. So that would be the teacher as a facilitator, but then giving the students the ability to voice their thoughts and voice their opinions on instructional decisions regarding, in my case, I'm a language arts teacher, what to read, what to study, and how to go about doing those things. So that's something that I think really fits my style. Some strengths of that would be everybody feels valued. Everybody gets to have their voice heard. But some drawbacks of that would be that there may be some pressure to conform to what the group wants. And there could also be some inefficiencies when you're allowing everybody to have their voice heard before making a decision. Some leaders that you might be familiar with that use elements of this theory would be Bill Gates and our current president, Donald Trump. For the authentic learning theory, it's basically based on being an authentic leader, being true to yourself, showing strong morals and ethics, and modeling those for the people that you're trying to lead. Some strengths of this are everybody wants to come to work and people are willing to work hard even when the boss is not present. Some drawbacks of this would be that it's just very new, so it's hard to really critically analyze over the long term on how this theory works in practice. Some people that would fit into this category, this leadership style, would be Martin Luther King Jr. and Eleanor Roosevelt. So that's what I've got. I'm looking forward to getting to know you guys better as we learn together throughout this next month. Thank you.